Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been so long. I think it's been like 20 days, maybe more than that. I don't know. It's been a long time. I haven't had a PC. So basically I sold my last PC so I could afford to build this new one. So I went a while without a PC, so I apologize for not uploading, but I hope you guys understand. But I'm back and I'm going to start uploading next week, so look out for that. And basically I just wanted to tell you guys I'm back, and I also wanted to hear your guys' ideas if you have any on videos. So leave down in the comments below some video ideas if you have any. I'm not guaranteeing I'll do it, but I'll definitely look into it and consider it. So that's all I had to say. I'm back, baby. Let's go!